Now, remember, I always tell you people about the right agribusinesses to start with or to start. Those that are very profitable, those that you can start from little and make a lot of money. I'm here to tell you I just started Rabbitry. I just started Rabbitry. Trust me, when it comes to Rabbitry, it is one of the most underrated agribusinesses in Nigeria, highly untapped, with the very few people that are in the business or into the business very quiet about it. You get a breeding stock, and then in 6 months time you've started making your money, and you're making that money consistently because rabbit gets into it as fast as possible. In a year or in a space of 12 months, they can litter or go into it over 8 times. Now imagine crossing 8 times one rabbit, how far and how much rabbit you would get. So today I went to pick mine up, and I started with the Dutch and the New Zealand. You can see them on the screen. So I went to meet the breeder and got them. They couldn't get me or put them in something more spacious or bigger, so we used the carton. And now, because my space, I'm currently working or constructing something on my cage, on my in my space. I had to get the services of someone that would hold or board them while I work on some or a few things. So that's the reason why I had to take it in that cab you see, the keke, down to the place. So as I speak, the two rabbits are being boarded somewhere. Now I'm going to be giving you updates. I will give you updates so that you can have a practical guide that you can follow and become successful too. You can follow these guides to become a very, very successful rabbit farmer. Trust me, there is serious money to be made. I will be keeping you guys up to date on the progress and what we've been doing, achieving. Maybe if I'm able to get another stock, I will also let you know, because as I speak to you, the stocks I have is the New Zealand is a male and the Dutch is a female. So obviously I need to get a female New Zealand and a male Dutch, and then we can start the business properly. But before then, whatever any significant changes or thing I do, I will always let you know, so that someone out there who wants to start from nothing can also look at a pattern, a path, follow it, and become a successful agric business entrepreneur or entrepreneur. I hope this video was helpful to someone.